Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about Parakeet Heliconia. So vibrant, so long-lasting. Few things to make it even better. When you look at their stem, take a look at the top, give them a fresh cut, and make sure that the angles match. Gives it a more professional finish. Then, spraying them down with Crowning Glory. Saturate, front, back, top, bottom, sealing that moisture in. If you like a little more shine, you could use Vaseline and actually just rub that directly on. Do that instead of the Crowning Glory. It also will seal in the moisture and add a bit of shine. Then once you have them prepped, give them a cut and set them in a vase of water and let them drink for 2 hours before you use them. Now you know how the pros do it.